Thailand International Dog Show 2010 has started yesterday at Impact Muang Thong Thani, and this year's theme is Miracle Number 9, as it has been organized for 9 years. Now, the main purpose of the event is to create business opportunity for pet business. This event also hopes to help build a closer relationship between the owners and their dogs. Now, there are up to 200 booths and various activities that dog lovers and their pets can visit. Some of the highlights include mini marathons, free clinic for dogs, International Dog Show Championship, as well as special show for 9 talented dogs. Many kinds of pet products and services from leading manufacturers are all on sale at special prices. Now, people born in the year of the tiger, which is this year, and anyone who has number 9 on his or her ID card can get in for free. Now, dogs can also enter the event free of charge. The event is currently held at Impact Muang Thong Thani from today until June the 27th.